Support broken for Bitcoin. What's going on? Bad things happening. You want to know the last information about the crypto world? Yes, then smash that like button because it's time for crypto news. Fun on the right. Crypto a tope. We were waiting for the Fed decision and finally we have it. And we are holding those raises of the rates. So everybody happy, allegedly, but afterwards with the speech of Jerome Powell and the idea, the 70% chance right now that we are going to have another 25 basic points move higher, probably in July before the end of the year, well, then the market conditions are not so happy anymore. And that means that we'll see in July with that decision on the 26th, but Bitcoin went down for the first time in 3 months under $25,000. This is not good. We expected it. Remember last videos, this is how behaves dollar on these days of decision for the Fed. So it's a red on the previous and the day of the decision, and then dollar starts going up again, and it's happening once more. Why didn't I use this opportunity to trade? Because I don't recommend trade for myself, because the day I do listen to myself is the day when things will change for good. But if you did take advantage of this, well, it's a pattern that we are following and it's happening. And what happens with Bitcoin? Well, we go up the previous days and then we go down, and this happened again today. And it's a very bad situation right now for Bitcoin and crypto market, because we are breaking the line that we started on January the 1st. It's been a year of race for Bitcoin with fiascos, of course, but right now we are losing that trend, and that's something that we don't like. We are losing the $25,000 line, and it's now the support we need to respect. It was resistance in the two last occasion, and it was almost support here too. So a very important point. Also with the moving average of 200 in the weekly that we are losing also the 100. So now the market expecting Bitcoin maybe to hold in this line. This is the $20,000 line, and that makes sense because after we close the gap that we opened for in the 4 hours chart, we keep on going down as we predicted too. Again, I'm not expert. I have no idea whatsoever what I'm talking about, but it happened. And right now, we are so close to that homework we have to do with the gap in the CME futures in the $20,000 line. The markets reacted with different opinions at the beginning, bad in United States, but the good. Asia today is going up, dollar going a little bit down, also gold, and the crypto market is not recovering. We'll see in the next hours. For Coinbase, that they have an answer. They needed an answer, and they have it already. The SEC told them that they need 120 more days to say a response. So I told you about that too. Anyways, the stock for coin is going a little bit up, and BNB token right now trying to hold, but we see this line in 178, 182, really likely to be touched at some point. We'll see about that. The market is in the red. Ethereum is in dark red. The bubbles also in the red. We are in fear in the market, and it's because of the economy in the world, but also the fiascos in the crypto sphere. Now, what about Binance? Well, the SEC and Binance has to negotiate a deal to avoid a total asset freeze. That's what's going on right now. So not very bad news for Binance right now. And about some other fiascos with BlockFi, allegedly this August, you're going to be able to withdraw your money, the money you had there, if you had it in the wallet accounts. If you had it in the earn accounts, which is the most probable scenario, then we have to keep on waiting. And now Voyager app is set to reopen for customer withdrawals as soon as June 20. So have a look on that if you are affected with these fiascos. And if you are concerned about the crypto world, well, you of course can be upset or concerned about the economy in the world. Right now, Treasury Secretary Yellen saying to expect a slow decline in the US dollar as a reserve currency. Maybe that's good for the world, even for cryptocurrencies. In the most important ones, you can see in the last 24 hours that the stable coins are the ones behaving better. So that means money out of the market, and the rest are doing bad, with some of them doing worse than others. Ethereum, we broke the line again, and we are in no man's land right now. So maybe we have to go all the way down to 1,389.65. We'll see about that. And what about XRP, Ripple? Well, right now, if this is not fake news, the CEO of SBI, which is one of the most important financial services in the world, the Strategic Business Innovator Group, well, he's saying that XRP is going to be used by 2025 in all the world. So we'll see about that. And what about Cardano right now? We don't care. We keep on validating blocks with our Fanon Cardano OnTheRide official pool. So if you have some ADAs, come with us and you help the channel indirectly. Thank you very much. The meme coins going down. PEPE looking for my next entry point here with dextools.io. I have to tell you about dextools.io, link in the description, that they are the best app for following this crazy world, but also to learn. You have there the Dextools Academy in the website, glossary and articles, and also, of course, the hot pairs, etc., and also the score for the tokens to know if you have to trust them or not. But again, you can go to their YouTube website. I leave you the link in the description, and you will learn a lot about the DeFi ecosystem. And talking about partners of the channel, remember Bit2Me, they are giving you 2% of your crypto. If you open an account, link in the description, you help the channel and you help yourself. It's a win-win. I leave you all the note about how this promotion works in the description too, so download the app right now. And let's talk today about this video. This is Mark Vidal and also Fabian Barrios. Those are two very important YouTubers in the world with more than 200,000 subscribers and almost 500,000 subscribers, Mark Vidal, and they were talking about crypto, and this is the opinion of Fabian about it.
Interpreto que alguna cosa que he leído tuya por ahí sobre a ti el tema de Bitcoin y todo esto te la traigo bastante al pairo, ¿o no?
Me horripila, me horroriza,
¿Por
me
qué?
horroriza. Y siempre que viene algún bitcoiner, que son terroríficos, son gente muy empecinada, que ya en su perfil de Twitter, lo primero, bitcoiner o no sé qué tal, es algo terrorífico. Y siempre
En el mío pone waiting for Bitcoin.
Siempre,
Cuidado,
siempre les contesto, el tulipán cómetelo tú.
You have to eat the tulip. So the idea here is that this guy, which is always telling you about freedom and stoicism, etc., right now he hates Bitcoiners, the crypto bros, and the whole idea of Bitcoin and etc. Of course, in my opinion, it's due to a lack of understanding about what we are talking about. Of course, in my opinion, he's focused on the speculation side of this crypto world, but he didn't took the time to learn about it. And congratulations to Mark Vidal on trying to show to people that are so stubborn about their ideas and the hate about Bitcoin and crypto to learn the other side. So congratulations to everybody patient enough in order to try to teach the rest how to get into this world. And talking about tulips, well, you can see Fabian here, this farm in Netherlands, that they are recycling the warmth of Bitcoin, mining to grow flowers and saving on energy costs. So maybe it's a tulip thing, but a very good tulip thing, in my opinion. You can also watch here this map of the world and how we are verifying transactions in a free way without intermediaries all over the world every 10 minutes. And this is mathematically proven. No one can stop it. And this is evolution of money. You want to watch it or not. Also here you can see the anatomy of Bitcoin in 3D. You can see here all those blocks and how the transactions are here validated like a child being born, which is Bitcoin, of course. And if you want to learn more, well, I will recommend you not just Bitcoin, but also Nostr, the social media from Jack Dorsey that are trying to fight our freedoms. So interesting. Consider, for example, here to pay his bills in El Salvador with no bank account. This guy, Milton, will spend an hour on the bus and another 2 hours waiting in line. Now he can pay instantly with Bitcoin. Maybe you consider this is not such a big thing, but I think it is. And also now in Mexico, we have Strike launching instant chip remittances. So through Bitcoin Lightning, they can have those transactions in the moment. There's an intermediary there. They will change pesos to Bitcoin, Bitcoin to dollar, or vice versa. And this is in the moment and without fees or almost non-fees and in the act. So consider for the world how important this technology is. Also, Strike is now working in a dozen countries in the world, including Philippines, Vietnam, Nigeria, and now Mexico. So good, so crazy. So it's not just speculation, my friends. There's a technology behind it that is really interesting. If you have no idea about it, if you don't understand it, I will recommend you to go to our website where everything is free, always free on Fun on the Ride, FunOntheRide.com. And there in the Learn section, you have Bitcoin for Newbies. And I recommend you these 3 videos. You will start here learning a lot. Also, there you have these books. I recommend you in the recommended book sections, also in the Learn topic. And there you have some of the most important books you need to read about crypto and all the stuff. And you have video resumes with those videos. So you can watch the video and then decide if you want to read it or maybe listen to it with Audible. If you do that, you will help us indirectly. Thank you very much. It's free for you for 30 days and we get 2 euros. So if you want to use it, do it, download it. If not, do it too if you want to help us. Thank you very much. And consider that in the work, as Mark Vidal says in that interview, I leave you the link in the description, we are not going to have money. Maybe we can go and just with our face buy stuff. But remember that this is the good side of the technology. The bad side is that governments and corporations will be able of blocking us on buying even food. So consider that and consider also this homework I leave you today to watch the video we did yesterday, run your money at a maximum. And the idea there is that we'll see tomorrow, Friday, you have instructions inside that video how to win money tomorrow, Friday. So if you want, if you are curious about the app, go and watch the video. If you want to get some money tomorrow, Friday at 6 p.m., then watch the video too. And remember about partners, that 30th of June is the last day for your tax report in Spain. You have a link in the description with a 10% discount from our friends on Coin Tracking, the tool we use for tracking our portfolio and doing our tax report. Thank you everybody that follows us on Twitch, and we are now 600 live shows on Twitch. So thank you very much. It's been a long time, and here we are all together. And we are also together in an EA News, in a new channel called EA News, just related to artificial intelligence. I released yesterday a video that you can only watch there, how to create a viral video with AI. So if you want to watch it, link in the description, EA News. We are more than 600 subscribers already. And now for the cats of the day. This guy is a little bit sad. Also, this one, due to the market conditions, it's a pity, it's a shame, but some of them are not as bad. They are learning day by day, they are curious, they are patient, like this guy drinking crypto every day on Fun on the Ride, or this other guy having it, learning it little by little till it learned it. We have a surprise today in the watermelon that is Fun on the Ride, and it's a dog there smiling for you. Cool stuff. And eventually get crazy about crypto like this guy Iron Man told us. I'm loving it. Some people hate it, but we love it, of course, and we enjoy it and enjoy life and enjoy the downfalls of Bitcoin like this guy is doing. So no worries. If you want to learn Spanish, go to our primary channel, Fun on the Ride. If you want more in English, wait till next crypto news, Fun on the Ride. Health, money, love, party in peace, and the best is yet to come. Crypto a tope, to the moon!